Children, today we are going to learn topic 10 measurements, PPT 22. Rama started on 4th April 1987 at 10 minutes past 8 pm from Delhi by train and reached Allahabad at 5th April 1987 at 40 minutes past 7 am. What is the total time taken? Rama started on 4th April 1987 at 10 minutes past 8 pm from Delhi by train and reached Allahabad at 5th April 1987 at 40 minutes past 7 am. What is the total time taken? So here Rama started journey on 4th April 1987 at 10 minutes past 8:10 pm from Delhi by train and reached Allahabad at 5th April 1987 at 40 minutes past 7 am. 40 am. So am. This is 4th April. This is 5th April. So in this on midnight 12 midnight between these two dates 12 midnight. Okay children, Rama started on 4th April 10 minutes past 8 pm at and reached from Delhi by train and reached Allahabad at 5th April 1987 at 40 minutes past 7 am. What is the total time taken? So here we have to find duration of the time. Duration of the time. We have to find the duration. Duration of the time we have to find. To find the duration of the time, we know the formula. Duration of activity or duration of time is equal to finishing time. We know the formula. Finishing time minus starting time. Finishing time minus starting time. So this is the formula to find the duration of an activity or duration of time. Using this formula, we can solve this problem. Not only this problem, we can solve so many problems using this formula. So here finishing time 40 minutes past 7. So here in this middle we have midnight, so that's why we have to add for this 7:40 minutes. So 7:40 plus 12 19:40. This is the finishing time. Children, this is the finishing time. Starting time 8:10. This is the starting time. Starting time 8:10. So here we have formula. Duration of activity or total time taken is equal to finishing time minus starting time. That's why we have to subtract this. Subtract 0, 3, 9 minus 8, 1, 1. So this is the total time or duration of an activity or total time. So 11 hours, these are hours, these are minutes. So 11 hours 30 minutes. Option 2 is correct. Question number 2. Shyam started a railway journey on 13th May 1988. 55 minutes to 12 o'clock in the morning, and he reached Coimbatore on 15th May 1988 at 9:30 in the morning. He reached Coimbatore. This is a repeated sentence up to here. So this is the correct question, children. Shyam started railway journey. Shyam started railway journey 13th May. 13th May 13th May 1988 at 11:05 to 12 o'clock in the morning, means AM. He reached Coimbatore on 15th May. Coimbatore on 15th May. 15th May. At 9:30 in the morning, means 9:30 AM. 9:30 AM. So in this middle, 11:55 AM, 14th May. In this middle, 12 noon and okay. In this middle, we have 14th May. 14th May. So 11:55 AM. After in middle in these 2 dates we have 12 noon. Here noon ante madhyanam. In this also, this is a midnight up to midnight. In this we have noon, 12 noon. This is noon. This midnight, or here not 9:30 AM only. So we have to find what is the total time taken, means duration of the time. We have to find duration of the time. Duration of the time is equal to, we know the formula, finishing time minus starting time. So how much finishing time? So year to year 12, or in this also 12, here also 12. How much finishing time? So we can calculate now. 12, 40, 24. Total how many 12s? 4 12s. 4 12s 48. 48 plus this we have to add. 48, 57 plus 9, 57, 48 plus 9 and a half. 57 and a half. This is the finishing time. 57, 30 minutes. So starting time we have to subtract 11:55. While subtracting this, we can get a duration of activity or total time. Subtract 2 here. 10 minus 5. Taking borrow, come 6. means 8 8 8 minus 5 3, here 6 only, 6 minus 1 5, 5 minus, this is the formula, 5 minus 1 4, 45 hours 35 minutes. So this is the duration of the time, 45 hours 35 minutes. Option 4 is correct answer, correct option. What is measured in centimeters? So the here is a correction. What is not, what is measured, what is not measured in, not measured in, what is not measured in centimeters. You children, you correct this, not measured, not measured in centimeters. So length, perimeter, distance, these all are measured in, these all are can measured in centimeters, but volume is measured in cubic units. So that's why option 4 is correct, option 4 is correct. We know length, length is measured in distance units, millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. So perimeter also measured in distance units. We know distance units, millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. So these all are distance units, these all are distance units. So in this centimeter you can use in length, perimeter, distance, but volume is not measured, volume is not in this. So centimeter is not measured in centimeters, volume is not measured in centimeters. So option 4. Fourth question. Ram slept at 9:30 p.m. on Sunday and he got up next day morning at 10 minutes to 6 a.m. How many hours did he sleep? How many hours did he sleep? We have to find the duration of the time. So find the duration of the time, starting time, duration of the time. Duration of the time, D is equal to finishing time minus starting time. This is the formula. Starting time 9:30 p.m. 9:30 p.m. Next morning, so here midnight, 12 midnight, 12 midnight. Next morning 5:50 a.m. Here we have to find the duration of activity. To find the duration of activity, we have to subtract the starting time from finishing time. Here finishing time we have to, here we have 12, so that's why we have to add 12 for this. 17 hours 50 minutes finishing time, subtract to 9:30. Yeah, this is the finishing time, this is the starting time. we have to subtract 0 to 17 minus 9, 8. So 8 hours 20 minutes. 8 hours 20 minutes. Option 1. Fifth question. One train travels 6 hours 30 minutes and ends journey at night at 9 p.m. When the train did start? Here we have to find starting time. Starting time. We have to find starting time. The duration of journey is given 6 hours 30 minutes. 6 hours 30 minutes given. It's reached ends 9 p.m. 9 p.m. To find starting time, we have to starting time, finishing time minus duration of activity. This is the formula. Observe children, to find finishing time, starting time plus duration. Starting time is equal to finishing time minus duration. Duration of activity is equal to finishing time minus starting time. So here finishing means plus. You remember this. Finishing plus. In other two cases you have to subtract. So these are formulas we are using in this problems. So finishing time 9 p.m. and 6 hours 30 minutes. This is finishing time. This is duration of activity. So we can find starting time while subtracting 0. Here carrying in this timings hours to minutes, taking carry hours to minutes, 6 must come, 6 only come. So 6 minus 3, here 8, 6 minus 3, 3, 8 minus 6, 2, 2 hours 2 hours 30 minutes. 2 hours 2 and half past 2 in the this is a PM. So PM 2 hours 30 minutes PM. So option 2 hours 30 minutes PM. 2 hours 30 minutes PM. 2 hours 30 minutes PM. Also 30 minutes PM. Children, you correct this. You correct this like this. AM, the second option 2 hours 30 minutes AM, children. So that's why first option is correct. First option is correct. Sixth one, Rama has 2 1 rupee coins, 5 50 paise 50 paise coins, 4 25 paise coins, and 5 10 paise coins. Then how many rupees Rama has? To find a answer for this question, two 1 rupee coins, two 1 rupee coins, two ones are two. These are rupees, these are pies. 5 50 paise coins, 50 paise coins, 50 paise coins, 5 2 rupees 50 paise, and 4 25 paise coins, 25 paise coins, to 1 rupee, 5 10 paise coins, 5 10 paise coins, 10 paise coins, 5 10s are 50, 50 paise. So total 0 5 3 5, total 5 rupees, total 5 rupees, 5 rupees 50 paisa, 5 rupees 6 paisa, sorry, here 5 5 10, here 1, so 6 rupees children, 6 rupees, 6 rupees, option 1. A bag contains 4 25 paisa, 10 50 paisa, and 28 1 rupee coins, 1 rupee coins. The total amount of money in the bag is same like that question only. This also 4 25 paise coins, 4 25 paise coins, 25 paise coins, 1 rupee, rupees, paise, 10 50 paise coins, 10 50 paise coins, 10 5 rupees, and 28 1 rupee coins, 28 1 rupee coins, 28 rupees. Total the money in the bag, total 13 14 14 34 rupees total, total 34 rupees, option 1. Question number 8. Ram slept on 31st December 1993 at night, half-past 9, and woke up morning 20 minutes past 6 on 1st January 1994. The time he slept. So here we have to find the duration of the time. 31st December, 31st December on 9:30, night means PM, and woke up in the morning, so that's why in this 12 midnight we have midnight. So when he woke up 6:20, morning means AM. So here we have to find duration of activity. To find the duration of activity, we have the formula finishing time minus starting time. So finishing time, here we have 12 in middle, so 12 plus 6, 18, 20 minus 9 hours 30 minutes. Subtract 0, taking borrow, 6 will come, 6 plus 2, 8, here 7 only, 8 minus 3, 5, here 17, 17 minus 9, 8. So 8 hours 50, 8 hours 50 minutes, 8 hours 50 minutes, 8 hours 50 minutes duration of activity. Option 1, question number 8. All right. Question number 9. My school starts morning at 8 hours 10 minutes. Here children, minutes, not meters. You correct this. Minutes. Minutes. I stay in the school for 5 hours and 30 minutes. This is also minutes. Minutes. What is the time when I leave the school? So here we have to find ending time, finishing time, finishing time. So here start morning 7:10 a.m. Stayed 5 hours 30 minutes duration of activity. So here we have to find finishing time. Finishing time, how much? Finishing time is equal to starting time plus duration of activity. Starting time plus duration of activity. Time when I leave the school. Here AM 5:30. So here we have 12 in this middle. Oh, no need this. Starting time 7:10, duration of activity 5:30. Here we have to add 0, 4, 12. This is the finishing time. 12:40 means 12:40 p.m. 12:40 p.m. This is afternoon, so p.m. 12:40 p.m. This is the formula. 12:40 p.m. Option 1. Tenth question. A bus starts from Srinagar at 9 hours and 20 minutes in the morning and reaches Jammu at 7 hours and 25 minutes in the evening. How much time is required from Srinagar to Jammu? Here we have to find duration of activity. Srinagar to Jammu. Starting time 9 hours 20 minutes, 20 minutes in the morning, so AM. 7 hours and 25 minutes in the evening, 7 hours 25 minutes, here PM. 9 hours 20 minutes AM, 7 hours 25 minutes PM. In this is my AM, this is PM. So in this we have 12 noon, afternoon, noon. How much time is required from Srinagar to Jammu? We have to find duration of activity. Duration of activity is equal to finishing time minus starting time. So this is the formula. So 12 plus 7 19 25 minus 9 20 5 0 0 10. So 10 hours 5 minutes, 10 hours 5 minutes, 10 hours 5 minutes. Option 3, option 3. 11th question. A train started at Mumbai in the evening 5 hours and 40 minutes and reached New Delhi in the next morning 10 hours 55 minutes. What was the total time taken in the journey? So here we have to find duration of activity. Duration of activity 5 hours 40 minutes starting time. Evening means PM. New Delhi in the next morning 10:55 morning AM. So in this we have midnight, 12 midnight. Here also we have to find duration of activity. Duration of activity is equal to finishing time minus starting time. This is the formula. So 22:55 minus 5:40 5 1 12 minus 5 7 17 hours 15 minutes. 17 hours 15 minutes. Option 3. 12th. A bus left Delhi for Chandigarh at quarter to 10, 9:45 am. It took 5 hours 20 minutes during the journey from Delhi to Chandigarh. The bus reached Chandigarh at reached finishing time. Here we have to find finishing time. Starting time 9:45. Journey time, duration of activity 5:20, 5 hours 20 minutes. Here we have to find finishing time. This is AM. To find finishing time we have to add Finishing time is equal to starting time plus duration of activity. This is the formula. 9:45 plus 5:20. 5 6 means 0 1. You know the concept 6 60 1 1 carry 1 0. 7 1 carry 1. 8 1 carry 2. 9 1 carry 3. So you know the concept of this. So here 4 plus 2 6, 1 carry, 10 15. So 15 hours 5. 15 hours 5 means this is evening. Evening means evening. Evening means 3 5 p.m. 3 5 p.m. That is 3 5 p.m. 3 5 p.m. Option 1. 13th, a bus started Delhi in the morning 9:10 minutes and reached Chandigarh in the evening 4:20 minutes. Time 4:20 minutes. Time taken to reach it. Duration of activity. Here we have to find the duration of activity. To find the duration of activity, here we have formula. First we have to write 9:10 morning AM and evening 4:20 PM evening, 12 in this noon. So here we have to find the duration of activity. Duration of activity is equal to starting time plus finishing time. So here we have to finishing time minus starting time. Finishing time minus starting time. So finishing time 12 plus 4 16 20. Starting time 9 10 0 1 16 minus 9 7 10. 7 hours 10 minutes. 7 hours 10 minutes. This is the minutes. 7 hours 10 minutes. Option 1. 14th, a bus started from Delhi at 10:15 a.m. and reached Dehradun in 6:30 hours. At what time the bus reached Dehradun? Finishing time. Here we have to find finishing time. Starting time 10:15 a.m. Reached Dehradun in 6:30 a.m. and reached Dehradun in 6:30 hours. At what time the bus reached Dehradun? This is the duration of time 6:30 hours. So we have to find finishing time. Finishing time is equal to starting time plus duration of activity. So this is the formula. 10:15 plus 6:30, 5, 4, 16:45. 16:45 means, so this is AM, that is, this is evening time. 4, 4:45 PM. 4:45 PM, option 3. 4:45 PM, option 3. Fifteenth question. A boy slept tonight at quarter to 10 PM and wake up in the next morning at first 5 hours. How many hours did he sleep? Duration of time we have to find. Duration of time, starting time 9:45 PM. Next morning 5:30 AM. Morning means AM. So in this 12 midnight, we have to find duration of activity. Duration of activity is equal to finishing time minus starting time. This is the formula. Finishing time 12 plus 5 17, 30, and starting time 9:45. Subtract, year to year 10 will come, 10 minus 5 5, year 2 only. Year to year 6 will come, 8 8 minus 4 4, 8 minus 4 4, 16 minus 9 7. 7 hours 45 minutes. 7 hours 45 minutes, option 3. 15th 3. Okay, 7 hours 45 minutes. In a year, April 1st is Monday. In the same year, what is the day of April 18th? First Monday, first date. Again, eight also Monday. Next 15 also Monday. 16 17 18 Monday. Monday 15, 16 Tuesday, 17 Wednesday, 18 Thursday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So Thursday 18th is Thursday. Or we can find like this. 1 plus we have to add 7 multiples, means here we have 18. So in this 18 14, below 18 14, 7 multiples. 1 plus 14 15, 15 Monday. So 16 Tuesday, 17 Wednesday, 18 Thursday. So we have to find this Thursday, option 1. 17. A bus starts from Delhi to Amritsar at 5:30 p.m. on a day and reaches Amritsar at 36 minutes to 36 minutes past 7 a.m. the next day. The time taken by bus to reach Amritsar is, so duration of activity. Here we have to find duration of activity. Start 5:30 p.m. End finishing time 7:36 a.m. Here p.m. here a.m. So in this middle 12 midnight we know midnight. So we have to find duration of activity. D is equal to finishing time minus starting time. Finishing time 12 plus 7 19:36 minus 5:30 14 hours 6 minutes, option 2. 14 hours 60 minutes, option 2. 18th one. Before the starting of the journey, the meter reading of a car is 678.3 km. After completing the journey, reading is 913.5 km. What is the distance the car traveled? Ending time minus last reading minus first reading. Last reading of meter, last reading of meter, last reading of meter, nine 13.5 kilometers. First reading of meter 78.3 kilometers. So difference 2 13 minus 8 5 10 minus 7 3 8 minus 6 2 235 kilometers, 235.2 kilometers, option 2. How many seconds are there in 24 hours? 24 hours. 24 hours convert into minutes. 24 into 60. Then it will we get in minutes. 24 into 60 multiplied by 60. We get into seconds. So what is the result here? Multiplying these numbers, 24 into 6 is 36 into 24, 4 6 24, 4 3 is 12, 14, 2 6 12, 2 3 is 6, 7. So 4 6 8. We got 8 6 4. Now we have to write these two zeros. So 86,400 seconds. 86,400 seconds. Option 4. Option 4. Question number 20. A kilogram of sugar is in divided in, so here a kilogram of sugar is divided equally into 5 equal parts. What is the weight of each part? We have to divide 1 kilogram by 5. 1 kilogram means 1000 grams by 5. 5 twos 0 0, 5 ones. So 200 grams. 200 grams. Option 2. So children, completed this